our latest podcast, The Dead Cult of Molech, Modern Day Sacrifice of Children, we expose the modern form of an ancient evil, namely the ways in which society currently sacrifices its children on modern altars. So before you point your finger on those ancient cultures and say how barbaric, we may need to take a look in the mirror. In scripture, we see that the worship of Molech involved parents sacrificing their children in fire for prosperity, for health, and for even protection from their enemies. And while no one throws their children in a literal fire today, many parents sacrifice their children on the altar of political correctness in ways that destroy their children. So, for example, many children today are allowed to make decisions that are physically and psychologically harmful to their minds and bodies in the name of empowerment. But yet we see that these children are plagued with a host of mental health issues, and some of these children even commit suicide. Children are also sacrificed emotionally through neglect and abandonment as parents pursue financial success at the expense of their children. Still, we see that other children are sacrificed to new ideologies such as live your truth and do whatever makes you happy. And these ideologies are destroying children because they grow up to be narcissistic and live in ways that make them incapable of bonding in adult relationships in healthy ways, which again leads to mental health issues, loneliness, and a host of physical and emotional issues. But I want to say today that there is hope. Let's start a movement to protect our children, the born and the unborn children. Let us start a movement rejecting the modern death cult and restore the principles and the moralities of God so that we can place the same value on the lives of children that are placed on adult lives. Share this video to expose the death cult. And also go to our YouTube channel and listen to the full episode, The Dead Cult of Molech, the Modern Day Sacrifice of Children, on our YouTube channel, Elim Counselling Services. Thank you for listening, and may God bless you as you share this message.